And what does that do?
They start licking each other and they stay bound together.
Here's your new home, right here. Right here is your new home. I'm gonna try my brush first.
They'll all go right in that box.
They go in. If I got the queen, they'll go in.
Otherwise, what, they'll just scatter, or?
Yeah, they'll just bunch back up somewhere else where the queen's gone. But I'm pretty sure she's got the queen. She's got a good nest of them.
So now they're all just flying around and going, where's the queen? Where's the queen?
What we're looking for is to see if they're turning their tails up. If they're turning their tails up, they're saying she's in here.
Oh, okay.
See their tails up?
Yeah, I sure do.
Right here, its tail up.
Sure do.
They're saying she's here. Come on in here. See these right here? See with their tails up? See how their tails are up?
Yeah.
They're saying, come on, the queen's in here. She's got us a new home.
That is wild.
Well, you got a nice place to have these out here.
Oh yeah, I rent right now. I'm trying to buy it. My landlord, next house down there, but I don't think he wants to start a beekeeping operation anytime soon.
Oh. Well, I sure appreciate you calling.
Oh hey, I'm glad you come out so quick.
It's pretty amazing. They all follow the queen.
And like I told him, that thing had to spring up right overnight because, you know, I was cutting grass right here yesterday, and
They weren't there.
not that I think.
Did you find?
No, I was looking out the kitchen window, and I just said, "What is that?" That is really strange.
You can see how it's settling down now. They're starting to find a place. You got plenty of time.